Check that out, Dad. You can actually watch it moving across the sky. See it? Ever slowly. Come here, over by me. See it over there? Coming in. Hell yeah, it is. And then you look over here. You can't hardly see this one anymore, but you can see some cresting over the top over here, Dad. Come over here where I'm at. Look over there. See it up in the air? Come here. See it? And then you see it blowing up around here. Oh yeah, it's coming in big time. Cool. Oh, there's lightning over here, Dad. Do you see it? There's lightning off to the west. Here it comes. I can feel the wind starting to blow. Well, yeah. You look over here, you can see another big puff of stuff coming around the other side of us over here. See it? Oh yeah, it's advanced so far now. Wow. Look at the sky change to that weird red color. Oh, this is freaky. Look at the street lights going to, wow. Holy crap, look at the street lights over there on the freeway, Dad. Come here, look at the freeway street light. Huh? No, that's dirt. Come here, look at the orange color. Look at the orange color, Dad. This is scary as hell looking. The sun didn't go down, Dad. It's just when you get them blow in from this direction, there's nothing out there to hold anything down.